Hi everyone, I'm Nelly and I'm from Zappos.com. This is Tetrex Rapid Crest from Merrell. These lightweight shoes are perfect for hiking through those dusty trails or splashing through the creeks and rivers. They have a synthetic and textile upper with a traditional lace-up closure. They also feature a pull tab on the back for easy on and off. Inside, there's Lycra neoprene lining for a great next-to-skin feel, along with a perforated EVA footbed that's also removable. The cushioned EVA midsole provides added support and shock absorption. At the bottom, there's a durable rubber outsole that offers the M Select wet grip lugs for reliable traction both in and out of water. Be ready for your next outdoor adventure while wearing this fantastic pair from Merrell.